I'll give you 10 basic steps. I'm gonna go fast. First, you gotta educate yourself. I know it sounds cliche, but you'd be surprised how many people get into real estate investing who know nothing about real estate and end up losing everything in real estate. So one, educate yourself. Two, you gotta understand the market you're in. I'll give you an example. People often say, because I live out here in Las Vegas, Will, do you own rental property in Las Vegas? And I said, where the market is today, no. And they ask why. And I said, because 1 + 1 is 2. I don't own real estate outside of my house I live in because 1 + 1 is 2. What does that mean? The average purchase price in Las Vegas, and you guys can do this simple math for your own local market. The average purchase price in Las Vegas is about $470,000. On a $470,000 mortgage, my mortgage payment is going to be about $3,000 a month. Okay, on $400,000+, my average mortgage payment is going to be about $3,000 a month. Now, the average rent I can charge on a $400,000 house, which is typically a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, about 18 to 1900 square feet. Okay, the most I can probably rent that place out for is $2,300 to $2,500. I'm already in the hole. So mathematically, it doesn't make sense. And this is why you got to understand the market. You have to go to the market that make the most sense. Number 3, financial assessment. You need to know what you can afford. Number 4, get your credit in position. I know you see those videos, buy real estate with no money and bad credit. Let me tell you, it's going to be very hard for you to do that. And that is not true. You're not buying real estate, you're really wholesaling it. So you don't even own it. Number 5 is understanding your financing options. Number 6, leveraging credit. You got to get good credit so you can leverage it. Number 7, finding the right property. Finding the right property that can cash flow. Number 8, evaluating the deal. You got to know how to evaluate the deal. How do you evaluate it? Understanding 1 + 1 is 2. If the mortgage is $1,000, you got to make sure the rent is at least $1,200 to $1,500. If the mortgage payment is more than the rent, it's not a good deal for a beginner. I'm not talking about the hedge funds, and because hedge funds will buy real estate and lose money every month, but they got a $100 million fund. As a brand new investor, you can't afford to do that. So evaluate the deal. Number 9, make an offer. And 10, do your due diligence. Do your due diligence, meaning getting the home inspection, all of that stuff. See, the reason I was able to get a $60,000 discount off this apartment building that I'm purchasing was because I had a home inspection. I show people how to use a home inspection to negotiate the purchase price. I teach people that. So hopefully that helped you.